Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn a new topic which is an important one in the writing section of our English question paper, that is message writing. In our previous classes we have learned notice writing and letter writing, isn't it? So, like notice writing and letter writing, message writing is also an important question in the writing section of our English question paper. So today we are going to learn how to write a message. Okay? Do you know what is a message? A message is a form of written communication for the person with whom you cannot speak directly. So, a message is a short piece of information that you give to a person when you cannot speak to him directly. Okay? So, today we will discuss the key points which have to keep in mind while writing a message, the format of message writing, and also we will analyze some examples of message writing. Okay? So first, let us go through the key points which we have to keep in mind while writing a message. So the first one is, a message should be short and to the point. The second one, it can begin with a brief salutation like dear mummy, dear Anu, dear father, etc. Okay? A message should include only the important details. It is very important. When you write a message, you should write only the important details in it. Okay? Then, date and time of receiving the message should be mentioned. So when you write a message, the date and time of receiving the message should be mentioned. Okay? Then, a message need not be written in formal language or in long sentences. However, clarity should be maintained. So, when you write a message, you don't need to write it in formal language or official language. And you don't need to write long sentences. Your message should be short. Okay? Then, put your name at the end of the message. So, at the end of the message, you should write your name. Then the last point, put the entire message in a box. That is, don't forget to enclose the message in a box. Okay dears, I hope it is clear for you. Now let us go through the format of message writing. Okay. So we already told that a message should be written in a box like a notice, isn't it? And message writing begins by writing the word message in bold and capitals. It is written in the middle of the line. So, when you write a message, at first you have to write the word message in the middle of the line. Okay? Then, in the next line, in the left hand side comes the date. And then, after the date comes the time. after writing the date and time, we should leave one line and we will write the salutation. Okay? After salutation comes the content, the body of the message. So it is the main part of the message wherein we provide all the information that needs to be conveyed to the person we are unable to contact. And it is important to stick only to the vital information and keep the body of the message short and crisp. And we should avoid long sentences here. Is it clear? Okay. So after finishing up the content, at the end comes the writer's name. Okay. Okay dears. So this is the format of message writing. It is very simple, isn't it? Now let us go through an example. Okay dears, here we have a question. You are Ram. This morning you received a call from Mr. Mohan, your father's friend. Your father was out. Mr. Mohan asked you to convey to your father that he was in fever and not in a position to go to the office today. He has asked your father to inform the managing director about it. Write the message for your father. Okay, now let us go through the solution. Message 18th February 2021, 9 a.m. Dear Father, this morning one Mr. Mohan called upon you when you were out. He has left a message for you that he won't go to office today. He is in fever. He has requested you to inform the managing director on his behalf and get the leave granted. He will submit the leave application when he goes to the office. Ram. So dears, here you can see that at the beginning of the message, the word message is written there. And after that comes the date, that is 18th February 2021. And after the date comes the time, that is 9 a.m. And after writing the date and time comes the salutation, that is Dear Father. And after the salutation, here you can see the content of the message. And after finishing up the content, at the end, the writer's name is given there. Isn't it? Okay dears, I hope it is clear for you. Okay then, it is time to wind up our class. So you can ask your doubts if you have any. And complete your notes based on the instructions in the PDF. Thank you. Have a nice day.